Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on PlayStation.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser within which you have not logged out from your account. Then in the address bar, type in PlayStation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the PlayStation official website. Just choose your country or language first, and then you will be taken into your homepage. Now, since you have not logged out from your account, you will see your account icon at the top right corner. Just go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the sign out button at the very bottom. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be logged out from your PlayStation account right away, and you will see the sign in button once again. If you wish to log back in, you will need to click on this button and then proceed forward with your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on PlayStation.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.